You can't have supermodels as your center backs and think you're going to succeed. Someone else needs to do the first phase, and they don't do it. And by job. Now you have the man that's supposed to do the dirty job. He doesn't do the dirty job. Ne? And you ball. Okay, sharp. We win the ball. 1, 2. Mfana kithi. Abomtiba yilabantu ngathi mabadla nenyama bashaya konke namathambo. You finish everything on the plate. No, my man. Counter attack, break attack. Now, pass the ball to the man. There is a lot of Mara Jehovah. Why don't you pass this guy? Why don't you pass on him? Hey, about pass that now. 1, 2. Play the man. Play him the man. There is space there. Hey, press the man. There is no way, guys, you can convince me with this guy is a defender. It's either they come inside or they go outside. They still beat him. There is no way this guy is a defender. Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. You can't have supermodels as your center backs and think you're going to succeed. Every time Johannes has played this season, Sundowns has conceded a goal. Normally Sundowns 0, Golden Arrows 1. Good game. Both teams could have scored a lot of goals. I think Sundowns feel which they should have won the game. Right? Good tactics by both teams. We're gonna start. Okay, before we start, I think Ukad also got it wrong with the lineup, not the formation, just the lineup. Even the substitution work, I think Urashile a bit, and then, but I'll show you much later. Now we're gonna start like we always do. We start with formation. Sundowns with the usual 4-2-3-1. Now Arrows, they played a 4-3-2-1. And striker Ution. These are the two number 10s. Now my midfielder wow. Right? So they were giving Sundowns space this side. Sundowns didn't capitalize with this space. Now Sundowns left back, 2 center backs, and the right back. I need 2 double pivot. I don't want to talk a lot about Aubas. You can be a good player, but not be good for any team. Sharp. Now, Alain Delana, then you had Bennett Mukwena, and then you have Umailula. Mailula was playing as a 10. Now, why they got it wrong? If you watched the game, if you watch the last game, Sundowns, Undov was playing as a right winger, but he had someone to connect with. I'll show you later on. When he received the ball here, he had someone to connect with. Now, Umailula was playing too much on the left-hand side. That's why they got it wrong. They could have played Umailula here or vice versa, but they needed someone to connect Nondru 1-2, 1-2. Chap. This is just me showing you how both teams were set up, or how both teams were structured. Cardoso gave Umthiba a chance to start. And I don't think Umthiba ready. I think he's too playful. But now the problem when you play someone who is tall or a tall striker, players tend to do crosses. Sundowns did that a couple of times. Now we had Bennett Mukwena here. Remember, he was playing as a wing, coming in as a half 10. They would change later on. I'll show you. Now, sharp. Let's go. You see, Umailula Ugupi. Not a bad thing, right? He's a 10. Now, he's got a chance to run. He's got a chance to attack. This is 3 against 3. He's got a chance to attack, but what does he do? He wants to cross it. And normally Sundowns, yes, they will cross it, but i-crosswa left back, it's the full back, the right back or the left back. But here he had a chance to go and attack. But what did he do? He decides he wants to cross the ball. Why do you want to cross the ball? Another cross, ball was on the left, goes to the right hand side. Ne? Ndlovu connects. You know you can't cross the ball, you can't pass the ball, you decide to cross the ball. There's no asikistingo. Ball rotation. Ball rotation. Ball on the left, they switch it there. The only player may switch it ball. The players in the midfield and Emuva, the centre backs, must not switch the ball to Sundowns. And that's why. Okay, sharp. Ball goes to Ndlovu, cishe hour. Alende ufika late. No one to connect. Bennett Mokoena uyaphuma la. Mayelula ukuphi ula. Okay, sharp. Mayivalekile singayiforced. Rotate the ball. Ball comes back to the left hand side. Angithi space will open up. Angithi where is the space? The space is here. Sharp. Da. Aw mfana kithi. Awusikaqaqaqa. Remember the penalty that he took last year, Panenka. Maybe he could have done it here. But as much as a lot of people want to blame him, you have to give credit to the keeper. Did very well, very well, coming out and spreading himself. Something that the Sundowns keepers need to learn. How to spread themselves. Another cross, you're down. The only midfielder who should switch the ball to Sundowns, Mr. Miyagi. Ball on the left, Mailula here. Good passing movement here. Cross. Hit the target, my man. There you should hit the target there. This was a nice move. Game Penny Arrows. Not different from what most teams like to do, especially Amazulu. The Amazulu come the next game against the Sundowns. We'll try and do the same thing. Try and get Sundowns on a counter, on a transition, and it's sharp. Now Sundowns are taking on the right hand side. What do? They try and play across, and it's okay, sharp. Now, Allende doesn't press, and it's sharp. Okay, let me play it. Finishing should improve. Now, the moment counter pressing, like the moment we lose the ball, we have to counter press. When we counter press, we have to block our passing lanes. So we are blocking the lanes. Mr. Miyagi here, he doesn't do that. He steps back. Now, everyone, if he steps back, so now the rule is, if we counter press and then they play the ball, it means the rest, they need to drop back. But he does the second phase instead of the first phase. Now, everyone else needs to do the first phase, and they don't do it. And it's by a job. Now you have the man that's supposed to do the dirty job. He doesn't do the dirty job. And you cannot have the same pace. Your jogging pace is the same as his sprinting pace. Then why are we playing you if you can't do the dirty job? The only goal of the game. Sundowns has the ball, we lose the ball easy. No counter pressing here. Because counter pressing, guys, as soon as we lose the ball, we attack the ball. We attack the ball. Now watch these two, how they defend this. Okay, sharp. We cannot be beaten by a pass. This was a beautiful pass, but we cannot be beaten by a pass SO. We cannot. The two center backs and the keeper here, sharp. Baphumile ngithi. Now, Umudiba probably worried about this guy. Sharp. It is 2 against, let's say it's 2 against 3 here. Now, Johannes Mbanagit, my man. This man is making a run there. You have to run with him. But this was a beautiful ball. Beautiful pass. As a keeper, this. Now, you need to understand. He needs to understand, Guti. When teams play against the Sundowns, they are going to play it. So you can't be on your box or go 6 box for these type of passes. He should be alert. He should be alert. I don't blame him here, but I blame the goalkeeping coach, because you need to spread yourself. Have you seen Emmanuel Neuer, right? Or Emmanuel Neuer, the German goalkeeper? You'll never see him doing this. He spreads himself. He spreads his legs. You understand? Not this thing about Rowan Abayenza. Not. But this was a beautiful pass. Beautiful finish. Like I said earlier on, not in this video, in another video, Umbuthuma needs to learn from this guy. This guy, all he wants the ball in the box. Pela. Another chance is Sundowns. Okay, sharp. Ball goes to the right. Now, I just want to show you, Guti. There is no one who wants to combine. There's no one who wants to combine with Unlo. These two, they're just jogging. Right? If he is going there, then he needs to move into this space. And it's that simple. When one goes there, one needs to come into that space. But Sundowns needs to play Umurena as a right back, not as a right wing or as a forward. No. You see, the space is here. Ugcina lose the ball. Okay, sharp. We win the ball. 1, 2. Mfanakithi. Abomtiba ilabantu ngathi mabadla nenyama bashaya konke namathambo. You finish everything on the plate. No, my man. No, you can't. 1, 2. Let me take it back. 1, 2. Here. Why ungashayi? Usafuna ukuqeda mfanakithi. Usafuna ukuqeda. Maybe the keeper was going to save it. But take a shot. Angithi inyawo liyaphakama. Inyawo liphakamile. Shaya. Funa ukuqeda yonke into iseplate. The Arrows had a chance to catch Sundowns on a transition. I just want to show you, Guti. Now, you have a lot of players as the Sundowns. When you have a lot of players in the only one, it means, Guti, even this other team, there. Now, you look like, Guti, if they win the ball here, we can't counter press. We can't. And the Arrows, if you watch our players with Arrows, they have attackers that have speed, that can hold on to the ball. Like even if Undlovu from Arrows, he's got speed, he can control the ball. That's one of the dangerous things now Arrows. Sundowns loses the ball, we can't counter press. We had a chance to win the ball, we don't. Now, counter. This guy should have played the ball. There. I don't know what he or Efuna. Now 1, 2. Even this guy should have played the ball. Look what happened. Really move. Oh, Mara Jehovah. Oh, Father God. Mara Bafid. The game plan, let me come this side. The game plan is simple. Is we counter attack, right? Counter attack, break attack. Now, pass the ball to the man. There is a lot of Mara Jehovah. Why don't you pass this guy? Why don't you pass on him? Hey, about pass now. 1, 2. Play the man. Play him the man. There is space there. Ugoza usaseBloemfontein. Ucabanga ukuthi usasekusiweleli. Play the man. He doesn't play the man. You go back. Simple things. Umuntu uyagijima uyamnika. Now uyagijima kumele bakunike. Second half, I'm gonna show you the guy who's not a defender. You can't convince me otherwise which this guy is a defender. You just can't. Now, Ukad also made a couple of changes, right? I think he got it wrong. Yes, he did say Uguti they knew Uguti bazomkeep. But I think they should have substituted Ntunye. Right? Ntunye still does not understand Ibola in a way. Why do you play a ball to the side? He doesn't get that. Then they needed to play someone who will combine Nundlu, right? Sharp. Let's start here. Now, Sundowns was attacking here. Sharp. Now, dude, play the ball there. The reason why you play the ball there, he's not making this run just because no, he's making this run. If there's no one going with him, you play it there. If this guy goes with him, then there's gonna be space here. Okay? He doesn't play it. He plays it here. Mr. Miyagi tries to play it there. Okay, sharp. Let me come this side. Now, you can't convince me, guys, which this guy is a defender. There's no way. Right? There's no one here. You know there's no one here. Go and press this man. He takes his time. This guy, Yenzani. So simple. Another one. Long ball. The arrows. Now. Uiwanila. It's either you pass the ball to Umutiva. You pass it there. Or you flick the ball. Or you play him the ball. So that we can retain the ball. You decide to pass it where? You pass it there. You lose the ball. Bayamqedo Mr. Miyagi. Again, press the man. There's no way, guys, you can convince me with this guy is a defender. It's either they come inside or they go outside. They still beat him. There is no way this guy is a defender. There's no way. There's people, as in Kumbula, in high school where in matric, you sit with someone and then bamboo the question and then how did you get to matric? How did you Johannes get to Sundown? There's no way you can convince me with this guy is a defender. They come inside, they beat him. They go outside, they beat him. Every single time. Utapelo Moreno and Los Santos, you could see which they are not match fit or they were not ready. And now playing them second half when you are chasing the game, it's actually not good, right? Because most players that get injured again is because of that. Now remember, with a tempo game when you are rushing for a goal or when it's 0-0, it's not the same, right? That's why maybe Santos could have played first half, right? Now, just gonna show you something. I'm gonna show you what a fit Morena would have done. Beautiful cross la. Now look at Brian Leon. He's thinking of something. Ne? He's thinking of something. A fit Mokoena would have done this. This is a fit Morena. Similar. Diagonal pass. First time. Target. Inside. Don't trap with your outside foot. Final clip. Besenya Vala. Cross ball. Now, this is why Umurena needs to play here. He understands. Unfit. You can see match fitness. Now, okay, let me play. There's a beautiful angle by keeper. Beautiful angle. Had he trapped with his left foot instead of outside foot in Banagit. Beautiful pass. Trap it with your left. The ball is coming. And if you trap it with your left foot, it's either you la or la. Then you shoot. with your right foot, but you still want to trap with an outside foot, then usazolungisa futhi with your right. Now you take 3 touches, yeah? Now you bring it back. Yeah? Should have used his left foot. I the defender's coming here. You use your left foot, then you put your body, then best we are shy. If we are a penalty. Hey, stop using your outside foot, your home. Hey, Bafit. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.